and as a passionate motorsport fan, I'm happy to hear that. For starters, the standard list of equipment leaves nothing else left to be desired. Thanks to the double R 4-cylinder engine with BMW shift cam technology, it delivers an incredible 201 horsepower, together with a fully fueled weight of only 223 kilos. However, an additional weight saving of 3 kilos can be achieved with the optional M competition package. The highly exclusive M competition package includes lightweight carbon fiber wheels, lots of carbon fiber panels, milled footrests for rider and pillion, and preparation for MGB's lap trigger. Not to forget the stunning Blackstone metallic paint with M Motorsport colors. Whereas the base model arrives in light white and M Motorsport colors. Both M XR variants come equipped with purpose-built M winglets for high speed and cornering stability. The downforce effect becomes evident at 80 km per hour, but to break it down into figures, a downforce of 8 kilos is generated at 160 km per hour and 12 kilo at 220 km per hour. Meaning the front end always stays planted to the ground, all done in similar fashion to the MR and RR. Furthermore, the highly precise M brakes, sporty optimized DTC suspension with adjustable steering damper, front wheel oriented geometries and pro riding modes with DTC shift also comes as standard. But there's more. The M XR features a shorter gearing between 4th and 6th, as well as a shorter secondary gear ratio, which improves its sprint characteristics in true M fashion. The motorsport DNA is evident. By now you might be wondering, but what about the sibling, the S1000 XR? Well, get ready for another surprise.
Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. The new BMW M1000 XR, the long-distance sport bike designed to meet the highest demand, from dynamic riding on country roads to long-distance touring and racing. At the end of the 2018, BMW Motorrad already introduced the successful M model rank strategy for motorcycle and has been offering M special equipment and M performance part ever since. The new BMW M1000 XR is the third M model from BMW Motorrad to celebrate its world premiere, following the M1000RR Superbike and the dynamic M1000R Roadster, the long-distance sport bike M1000 XR. Powerful MXR 4-cylinder based on a double R engine, even more peak power, higher torque and increased thrust and traction thanks to shorter secondary and a gear ratio for maximum riding pleasure on the country road and racetrack. The new MXR features a modified water-cooled 4-cylinder inline engine based on the power unit of the S1000RR. Its peak power is 148 kW or 201 horsepower at 12,750 RPM. 23 kW or 31 horsepower more than in the new S1000 XR. The maximum torque of 130 Nm is reached at 11,000 RPM. The maximum engine speed of the MXR is 14,600 RPM. Increased rear wheel pulling power in all gears is also provided by a shorter secondary gear ratio through the use of sprocket of no 47 teeth, or S1000XR 45 teeth. In addition, the gear ratio of the 4, 5 and 6 gear are no shorter compared to the S1000XR, which also benefit traction at the rear wheel, acceleration and pulling power. M winglets and wind deflectors. brake later, reduce wheels, and accelerate earlier thanks to aerodynamic downforce. In addition to drive and suspension technology, aerodynamic was also a key item in the specification for developing the MXR. The new MXR was given winglet in the area of the front side panels with the aim of achieving even faster lap times on the racetrack and the best possible riding stability at a high speed from a speed of about 1000 km per hour. They provide an increase in the front wheel load thanks to aerodynamic downforce generated. It increased by approx 12 kg at 220 km per hour. The suspension and chassis of the new MXR are based on the S1000XR with the aluminum bridge frame as the centerpiece. The MXR features upside-down forks with a 45mm slide tube diameter of the front. The forks are equipped with a so-called closed cartridge insert, spirit hydraulic piston cylinder system. Another new feature of the MXR is the additional adjustability of the fork spring base in conjunction with the standard dynamic damping control or DDC suspension stirred. In addition, the forks of the MXR feature an over fork bridge with an elaborate mill overhauled handlebar. After the M1000RR and the M1000R, the new MXR is a BMW motorcycle to feature an M brake. It was developed directly using the experience gained with a crashing brake on a BMW Motor Factory racing machine in the Superbike World Championship. The M brake caliper features a blue noisy coating in conjunction with the famous M logo. The brake slide assist function is an important and very helpful innovation, especially for racetrack riders. It allows the rider to brake drift into corner with a constant slide.